Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. This is just a quick reminder that the raffle for the D-Day 80 set from ICM finishes tomorrow night. This superb kit combines the 2024 Martin B-26 Marauder in 1/48 scale with 5 air and ground crew figures. All you need to do is go to this link. It's in the information box below, or you can scan the QR code. There you need to correctly answer a simple question, and then you can purchase tickets for the draw. Tickets are £1 each, and multi-buy deals are available. But don't delay, the raffle closes at midnight at the end of Saturday 14th September UK time. The winner will be notified the next day and announced on Monday Matters. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck.